Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Facebook stories not uploading on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Facebook and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so just try to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, just open Wi-Fi here and just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. Also you can try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to check your cellular data or mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait a second and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your Facebook app. So just go to App Store, just go to Search tab. In Search tab, just write Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on Update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.